So you're bored at work and you're gonna watch another stupid video. Okay then, let's learn about AI design systems. A design system can be scary, but it is just a group of components, tokens, and rules that help UX teams create a consistent look so your product doesn't look like crap. Simply put, a design system is the DNA of your product. It is a toolkit of colors, fonts, and components wrapped in a set of rules that tells you exactly how to build.
It costs companies millions to build and manage their own custom design system. Instead, you should use a ready-made systems like Material or Ant. This way you can modify it to fit your brand needs, which saves a ton of time. Now you're only managing the modification.
Here's where AI comes in. These modifications can be saved as reference files as rules for your AI to follow.
Now your design system is more powerful and portable.
Yay!
And can even be used with multiple AI tools like Cursor, Antigravity, Replit, or Vercel. Now, if you need a modification or just need to understand the rules of the components, you just ask the AI. The system grows with you and your team. Simple, right?